Hello guys, welcome back to this series on HTML language. In this video, we will learn about HTML colors. So, let's start. In HTML, a color can be specified by using a color name. Now, let's start by doing some background color. So, for example, here we have H1. Here we will write, for example, first title. And here we will add also a P, paragraph. For example, my first paragraph by using HTML colors. So we have here our H1 for the title and we have P tag for the paragraph. Now let's try to add some color to this two paragraph, some background color I mean. So here we will come here inside the tag. We have to use style attribute. Inside style we have to use background color, and here just you will add the name of the color, for example red. Same thing for P. Here we will add background color and let's say for example yellow. As you can see here, the result of this code, we have the background of the H1 is red, the background of the P is yellow. So you will just come, you will have to use style, background color and red. Now we can change also the text color. Let's change the text color here. How to change the text color is just to use color attribute, not background color. The background will be back to white. The color of the text inside H1 will be red and the color inside P will be yellow. You can see here first title red color and my first paragraph with HTML color is yellow color. Also there is border color here. For example, let's do some border to our sentences. Here we have style, we have here border, and here we have to choose the px of the border. For example, the width of our border 2 pixels, the type, for example solid, to say that it will be solid, and the color red, for example. Same thing here. Border solid, for example here blue. Let's change the color. As you can see here, first title we have the border in red and solid type. Here we have my first paragraph by using HTML color with the border blue border. If you run in HTML, color can also be specified using RGB values. Some colors we don't know their names, some colors with details. There is hex value, ASL value, and there is RGBA value. For example, here let's use RGBA value. RGBA we mean red, green and blue. So here style, we have style, for example background color, and here we will use RGB system. Here we have, for example, this is the color. Okay, so it's 255 of red, 99 of green and 71 of blue. For sure, you are not going to memorize all those colors decimal code in RGB. For example, in internet you can find it, all these codes. For example, here we have red, it's 255.00. Let's check this silver also. Here you will just come to the internet and you have to write RGB color list and you will get the list in H code or decimal code, or just you will copy the name of the color. So here you have all the color list, for example, in this website. Now let's write a next code. For example, here you will just go to the internet, check the code of the color that you want to add, and add it here. Let's see, you can see here we have, it's a green. It's a shadow of green. So I hope you understand the lesson of color. Thank you so much for listening, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.